I got disconnected.
So actually, there is a limit of 40 minutes now in Zoom. I don't have the subscription right now because they have increased the fee. So 40 minutes, it will automatically disconnect.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Gaurav,
so
this total market cap is always greater than the free float, right?
yes, yes, because total market cap is 100%, free float market cap is like 70, 80, or 90 or 95%. But normally, they have made a rule that the company should keep around like 75%, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So this is 100%. You can think of total market cap as 100% and free float market cap around 80, 90 or 70% like that, depending on the company.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Okay.
Right. And then here we have the price information, right? You can see that I have explained, upper band and lower band, right? So this is the limit
Mm-hmm.
of the price, right? The maximum limit of the price the stock can move in a day.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So maximum it can go up to 1074 and minimum it can go up to 879. Lower band and upper band, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fine. And this is a tick size. Tick size means the price can move in like 0.05 paisa means if let's say the price is 981.45, so now it can go up to 981.5. It will not go to 0.47 or 0.48 or 0.49. It will not change like that. It will go directly to 0.05 means 981.45 to 981.5. So, so this is called as tick size.
Okay, okay, okay. If I bid for like 0.02 paisa, then we won't get, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Yes.
Okay. If it is 100 and uh, I have to bid for 101 paisa or 15 paisa, 20 paisa, not 1 paisa.
Yeah, like
100
that.
rupees, zero.
Like that here. Like here also in this case, 981.45 is there. Now you can bid for 981.5 or 981.4 or
Mm-hmm.
981.55 or point 0.6 like that. For this
Mm-hmm.
stock. For this stock.
Okay.
So here it
What
will
is
show.
the daily volatility?
See, this is kind of volatility. It will change every day, right? Based on the news or based on any event like that,
Okay.
right? So this remains changing based on the news and events. So this we don't have
Okay.
to worry about the stock price, right? Main thing is main thing is prices. Main thing is the price we have to see and this order information
Okay. Okay.
because these are the dynamic things and our trading and investing will depend on only these two things and of course the
Mm.
charts which I teach you later. So these are the dynamic things. These things will remain same only, and this doesn't have anything related to our trading and all, right? So this I am just explaining you for your information. You can use it if you want later, just for your
Okay.
information.
Okay.
Fine. So here you can see the uh, announcements, updates about the companies like corporate action, any bonuses, special dividend, all board
Mm.
meetings. All these things will be there here. If you want to see this data, you can check here. Okay.
It will have only dates and dates, right?
Ha.
They won't put a news actually what happened and what announcement the board has made. They won't put that detail.
No, it is there the corporate actions like bonus, special dividend, or any board meetings they have done, all those things.
Mm. Oh,
And here it will show you the shareholding pattern, right? So how much percentage the promoter is holding, how much percentage are
mhm.
there, right? So this all the information it will show you here, right? And these are the financial results of the company, right? They will show you here for each quarter, right? Like the total
Okay.
income, the net profit loss, or these things, right? So it
Mhm.
will show you all the details here, correct? Okay. Fine, this is clear?
Yeah. It's clear.
Okay. We'll go back to the slide. Okay. So stock market conditions. So they are basically here I have mentioned only two, but basically there are three conditions that we should know about it, right? One is the bull market,
Mhm.
second is the bear market, and third is the sideways market. Right? So there are three types of
Mhm.
market conditions, right? Bull market means the price is going up. Bear market means the price is going down. Sideways means the price is going in a range, right? Let's say there is a range like 50 and 40, right? So the stock or a market will form a range and it will move within the range. So right now the market is mostly like if you see sideways because it is ranging from 24,300 to 25,300, right? From many days it
Mhm.
is ranging in this range, right? So that is why we can call it as a sideways market between
Okay.
25,300 to 24,300 Nifty 50.
Okay. We can call it as a flat also.
Ha, flat market you can say, sideways, consolidation, flat, you can say that.
Mhm.
But there is a big range. There is a big range, right? So some traders consider sideways market of 100 points only. Some traders think sideways market at 200 points only. So it depends on trader to trader how they are thinking about the market, right?
Okay.
So in bull market indicates that the price will constantly keep on moving. So how the price will move in bull market? The price will move like this. Go up and there will be some small correction and then again it will go up and there will be some small correction, then go up, then some small
Mhm.
correction. So like that it will go in bull market. And bear market, the price will go like this,
Mhm.
right? Price will come down and then it will go some up and then again more down and then some points up like that, right? Right.
Okay.
And in sideways it will go like this,
Mhm.
right? So whenever the market remains in sideways and after that it will go, if it crosses this range, we call it as a breakout. So we have to remember this words breakout, right?
Okay.
And if it goes down from here, it is called as break down.
Okay.
So these are some technical words that you should know, and if you want, you can remember
Mhm.
also.
Okay.
Right? So bull market we also call it as a bullish market or uptrend, bullish or uptrend.
Okay.
And bear market we also call it as a bearish and downtrend.
Mhm.
Right? So in bear market the price will go down, and the bull market price will go up. Right?
Mhm.
So find this clear difference between bull and bear market.
Yes, yes.
So why we have to invest in stock market? We can start with a small money also, right? Like some people start with even 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. So there is no limit actually,
Yeah.
and maximum limit is also not there. So many people are using crores of rupees in market, right? So there is no limit, right?
Yes.
Second is minimum time to trade. We have a minimum time to trade from 9:15 to 3:30. That's it, right? High liquidity. We should trade in high liquid stock. High liquid means we can easily buy and sell, right? So that is called as high liquid, highly liquid. We can easily buy and sell the things, right? Let's say
Mhm.
you want to buy broccoli. If you go to market, if you want to buy broccoli, so that means it is less liquid because you may not get broccoli at all the shops, right?
Yes, yes.
But if you want to buy potato, onion, tomato, that means it is highly liquid because you will get at every shop and at different prices, right? So here also, high liquid means Nifty 50 stocks or Sensex 30 stocks, right? Low
Mm-hmm.
liquid means like some penny stocks you can say, or small company stocks, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Let's take an example of real estate also, right? So
Mm-hmm.
whenever you want to go and buy it, then you will get lot of opportunities to buy. But when you want to sell it, it is difficult to sell, right?
Yes, yes,
That means buying is highly liquid, but selling is less liquid.
yes.
Right? Next is user-friendly operations of stock market. These are very user-friendly operations are there because we have to use a software which are provided by the broker to buy and sell, right? And
Mm-hmm.
everything is live. Every the price changes are live, and the price gets added instantly, and they are controlled by SEBI also, right? So that is why they call it as a very user-friendly operations for stock market, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so this I will explain you later. Okay, have you heard about follow-on public offering?
No, no.
See, there is one thing called IPO, right? IPO, I have explained you. FPO is a kind of follow-on public offering. So these are for those companies which are already listed in stock market. Like I think
Mm-hmm.
last year Vodafone Idea came up with a FPO at a price of
Okay.
10 rupees. Means
Mm-hmm.
the stock which is already listed in the stock market, and a
Mm-hmm.
company wants to offer its shares to the public. That means they want to sell their more shares to the public. So that is called as FPO, follow on public
Yeah.
offering. Right.
Okay, company has 100 shares and the promoter kept 30% and initially they offered 70 and
Uh,
30%, the 30 shares they want to sell it.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Okay, so there was one company, ITI also they did some times earlier, but I remember in the last year the company called Vodafone Idea, they came up with an FPO of 10 rupees.
Mhm. What was the share price that time?
That time share price was around I think 9 or 10 rupees only, and now it is trading around 9 rupees. After that it went to 4 or 5 rupees also.
Okay.
Okay, now coming on to the
Yeah, that is always like if a promoter are selling their shares, right? Then public will think some problem is there in the company. That is the reason they are selling. So always it will go down. So they come up with the APO.
no, actually it depends on the current price also and at what price they are offering.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, let's say if the compare is 20 rupees and company is saying that I want to sell at 10 rupees, then everyone will rush and buy it, right?
Yeah.
So it depends on the current price also and at what price they are offering. Right? If the current price is 20 and if they want to sell at 30 rupees, then who will buy, right? Nobody will buy, right?
Yeah.
So that is why. Okay. So now instruments to trade means what all things are available in the market to trade or invest, right? So we have equity. Equity means stocks, right? Similar stocks, right? Like HDFC Bank, Reliance,
Yeah.
SBI, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, all those companies are stocks, right? Then we have
Mm-hmm.
index, Bank Nifty, Nifty 50, and we talk about one more index called Sensex also, right? Sensex.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have currency, right? Pound INR, JPY INR, USD INR, right? So these are the currencies that also you can trade in Forex market. This is basically Forex market, right?
Okay.
Then we have commodity market in which you can trade gold, silver, crude oil, zinc, copper, all those
Mm-hmm.
things. So this is a part of commodity market MCX. So for commodity, they have a separate exchange called MCX. For
Okay.
stocks, we have NSE and BSE, right? NSE, BSE.
Mm-hmm.
For commodity, we have MCX, and for currency, it is CDS.
Okay.
And then we have ETF. ETF is exchange traded fund. So they are basically like the stock only. They are traded on NSE and BSE. If you want to,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to invest in gold and silver, then you can invest through ETF route also, exchange traded funds.
Mm-hmm.
So these rates are derived from the physical currency, like physical asset, right? Based on the gold rate, these golds will change. Based on the silver rates, these rate will change.
Mm-hmm.
Exchange traded funds. So this is the best way to do the investment. If someone don't want to buy the physical jewelry or gold coin, then they can do invest in to the ETF route in gold and silver, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have mutual funds. So in mutual funds, they have a fund manager actually who manages the fund of public, right? They
Mm-hmm.
indirectly invest in ETFs or stocks like that, right? So mutual fund is also related to the equity, right? Fine. So these are the instruments that we can trade in Indian stock market. Apart from that, there are instruments which, if you want to trade out of stock market, then we have crypto and forex.
Okay.
So they are separate. They are not a part of Indian stock market, or they doesn't come under SEBI. These are the only
Okay.
things which are applicable under SEBI, SEBI.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. So this is clear.
Yeah.
Fine. Any doubt in this? No, right?
No.
Okay, fine.
What is F and O? F and O.
F&O is future and options. Right. So you might have heard
Okay.
about it. Future and options, no?
Yeah, I heard, but I don't know anything about that.
It's basically a contract between a buyer and a seller, and they have an
Mm-hmm.
expiry also, right? Let's say I am a buyer and you are a seller, and we want to do a contract. Means, let's say there is a stock called HDFC. Okay, the current
Mm-hmm.
price is 950, right? So
Mm-hmm.
A is a buyer, B is a seller, right? So there will be agreement in these two persons. A is a buyer and B is a seller. Okay. So A says that by next month the HDFC stock price will go to 1000. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
B says, bhai, I am a seller. I don't want the price to go up. I want the price to go down. He says, bhai, the price will go to 900. Right.
Mm-hmm.
So there will be agreement between a buyer and a seller that bhai, this price will go to 1000 and this price will go to 900. So they will pay some premium to the market. Let's say he paid 5 rupees premium to the market and he also paid 5 rupees premium to the market, right? So
Mm-hmm.
if the stocks goes to 1000 rupees, then this buyer will be in profit. And if the stock goes to
Mm-hmm.
900, then this seller will be in profit.
Okay. Okay.
So there will be agreement between two parties by discuss. Jesse, like if you go to old timings, right? Old times, the farmers used to sell their grains and all, right? So they will do a contract with
Mm-hmm.
the big person, right? After 3 months,
Mm-hmm.
you can buy my grains at the same rate. Whatever rate I am offering now, after 3 months also you can buy at the same rate. Similarly, here also we are doing. There is an agreement. So buyer says the price will go up, the seller says the price will go down. So whichever way the price moves, that party will be profitable.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
how long it will take? It's not within a day,
So
right?
so this is for 3 months. The maximum contract can be of 3 months.
Okay. Okay. It can be single day also.
Huh. It depends on you. The contract has to be maximum 3 months, but if you are getting profit, you can sell within one day also.
Okay.
Okay. So these feature and options will come in advanced feature, advanced topics.
Okay.
Okay. So the feature and options contract is only available for top companies like Nifty 50 and Sensex
Mm-hmm.
30. And
Mm-hmm.
basically these indexes, right? Bank Nifty, Nifty 50 and Sensex. So these are available
Mm-hmm.
only for the top companies.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. These are not available for like uh, penny stocks or small cap, right?
Okay.
And feature and option works for currency and commodity also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I think we can keep it till here today.
Yeah, okay, yeah,
Okay. So next class, when you want to do, we can do on Monday.
yeah, Monday. Yeah,
So Monday, same time, sir, 8:45 a.m.
yeah, 8:45 to 9:45.
Okay. Uh,
Okay.
and sir, one more thing, can you share your email ID over WhatsApp so that I can share this recording to you on Google Drive?
Yeah, I'll share.
You can just send me your like WhatsApp number. So sir, overall, how did you find this session? Was it good or how is it? Was boring or how is it?
Yeah, it's a good. I don't know the much of this basics. I didn't know. That's good.
Okay, but but I mean, like, did you know about these things earlier or how is it?
No, I didn't know this details
Okay,
before.
fine. So, so that means it was a good session. Okay, sir. We will. So one or two classes will be with 1 to 3 classes will be go like basics, and then we will move on to charts after that. Right.
Okay, okay, okay.
Fine.
Okay, then. Yeah, we'll meet
Okay.
on Monday.
Monday. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
okay.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.